Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about Python type conversion and typecasting. What is type conversion? The process of converting the value of one data type to another data type is called type conversion. Like other languages, Python also have two types of conversion. Implicit type conversion and explicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion. In implicit type conversion, Python automatically convert one data type to another data type. This process does not need any user involvement, which is implicit type conversion. In the case of implicit type conversion, Python interpreter automatically convert one data type to another data type. For example, x is equal to 25, y is equal to 45.2. Then we are going to add this two numbers. Here we do not need to explicitly specify the data type, which is implicit type conversion. Next one is explicit type conversion. Explicit type conversion, we use predefined functions like int of, float of, string of to perform explicit conversion. In the case of explicit conversion, we are using some of the constructors such as int of, float of, string of, etc. This type of conversion is called typecasting because user cast the data type of the object. Here the user cast the data type of the object. The syntax is required data type then expression. Example, x is equal to int of 25, y is equal to float of 45.2. Then we are going to print the value of z, that is x plus y. Here, which is an explicit conversion because the user defined the data type. Now we can execute the program in PyCharm ID, which is an example of implicit type conversion. X is equal to 25, y is equal to 45.2. Then we are going to print z, x plus y. Now we can run it. Here we got the output. Now we can, in the case of implicit conversion, we are going to specify the data type here. Data type of x is int, y float. Now I am going to print z. Now we can run it. So here we got the output. That's all about the Python data types. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next time. Thank you.